Hi guys, we are visiting Shaka Marine today. So we just got here, we're going inside just now. We're hoping Zia will really enjoy it. But also us, we've never come inside, hey? So this is actually the perfect time. So do join us. Let's go! You're saying we're buying which ticket? The aquarium. Trying to find where we're going to buy the tickets. Let's go to the information center, love. So we just want to get something to eat. There's a number of like shops around here, just as you go to the entrance where we're gonna get the tickets. So we just want to try this chip and dip. My husband said they had it at Verts and it had good food. So they have hot dogs, fish, chicken, samosas. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have a hot dog. My husband wants samosas. Can't be Durban and not have samosas. So this is actually a big portion. But this is the hot dog and the chip. This is what hubby's having. What flavors did you take, love?
It's chicken and sweet corn.
Sweet corn. Someone doesn't want to eat, but he's having ice cream. Shaka Marine World.
This must be the water park.
Yeah.
Look, come on.
And it doesn't look too deep. So this would be perfect for Umdan. Now we're making our way to the aquarium.
Do you want to show them?
Like a big old boat.
No. This is the Titanic.
Titanic.
Yeah, look.
Happy says it's a Titanic. But that's where...
There's a long love story behind this boat.
That's where they have the aquarium. So...
Yeah, the story of love and disappointment.
Yeah.
And care.
Let's go. And we are at the bottom of the ocean. Let's explore. Those are beautiful. Some fish.
Oh, look at that one. That's massive. Under the sea.
See, look at that one. Jump, fish. Jump up. You fish. A bunny fish.
Oh.
Yes, they come back. Fish. Fish.
Oh, look at this ugly one.
Get.
But imbi. It's so angry.
The colors are beautiful.
It's so
Touch.
angry. Nah, you just don't care about fish, Zia. Funny Fanta
I'm just here for the cold drink. Fish. Eat your fish. Nigel.
Moshe vibe. Chief, discern the space. Chief, discern the space.
A turtle. You bet?
It wants to be touched.
Good boy. There's a shark.
Is it approaching?
Behind you.
Exactly behind me.
There.
Just here behind me, behind my back.
It's coming closer.
Let's see if it's taking the bite.
Ooh. That's so big. Massive. The ones you press all the time. It's a bit chilly. And we're going for dinner. Going by the sea, so it's gonna be even more cold because of the sea breeze. So what do you feel like, Mama? What do you feel like, Baba? So I want some meat.
Good pasta with bits of meat.
Okay. So we're basically going to a meat place, guys. Just a nice quick dinner. Nothing hectic. That one needs to sleep. Butcher Boys. That's where we headed. Apparently it has the best steak in Umhlanga. No other restaurants that side. The chef's table. It's highly recommended for fine dining if you're up for that.
That's if you're looking for a culinary experience. A 3-course meal.
3-course, 4-course.
We've been here a couple of times.
Type of vibe. How was it?
It was a good experience. The food is good.
This is the type of place we're looking for, but we've enjoyed Shen and Tender quite a number of times, and we've never tried Butcher Boys. So, Siapaya Prime Steakhouse. So I'm having my standard passion fruit and lemonade, and Ubaba is having his favorite
Standard
cappuccino. And we decided, guys, we're actually going for a platter for 2. They have platters for 2 ne? It's nice because they have nice combos in terms of the meat.
So guys, this is my wife. Look up.
Oh my goodness.
Guys,
There goes your coffee. Toddler vibes, eh? Wife here. Thank you. Baba?
Yes.
We've been together for 10 years. You didn't even say happy anniversary, wife?
I did, you reminded me.
I can go out of your own accord.
No, you reminded me. The most important one is 18th December.
No, love. There's no wedding without courtship. Please, eh?
Eh?
There's no wedding without courtship.
Yeah, of course. There's no courtship without me passing the trick.
So what are you trying to say?
I'm just saying we celebrate everything in the world.
Wow.
Because there's no next without privilege.
Yo, okay.
So I'm just saying the most
So
important
this is
one
what my
18th
10
December.
years dedication to is amounting to, like metric. Okay, all right.
I'm just saying the most important one is 18th
I
December.
feel so appreciated.
If I forget 18th December, then
That's our wedding anniversary,
bad
by the way. Okay. Any words from your side?
Any words?
How did we even get to 10 years?
God. The real question is, how did we find each other? God.
Yeah. No, but like people find each other.
Thanks,
Thank you so much. That's the replacement. No, love, people find each other, but they don't stay together. So I don't think finding each other is the trick.
They didn't.
So guys, comment if you agree with me. I don't think finding each other is the issue. Especially these days. I think the issue is the lasting relationship. They also agrees.
So starting is easy, finishing is difficult.
Yeah. That's the thing, hey? I don't know. So how did we do it? By God's grace, definitely.
You're looking for a practical answer.
Yeah, I think God's grace, yes. Having the same values, yes, or similar.
Also very simple.
Yeah, love?
I don't overthink things.
So how does that impact the relationship?
People overthink relationships.
Oh, okay.
That's how they feel sometimes.
Yeah, people generally overthink relationships.
And that's the issue. You shouldn't have to overthink your relationship. It should be organic. And that's where friendship comes in.
I was about to say, I think friendship is like
That's
such
organic.
a key thing, such a key thing. I think for us, it also helped the fact that we were friends before we started courting. So that didn't set a foundation.
Be committed. Be forgiving. Don't be a fighter. Be intimate. Love each other. I think those forgiveness, love, friendship all sustain any marriage.
Any marriage, yeah. I guess that's why it says that even in the context of marriage, for example, in the
Of course, I'm not
being
advising.
together.
Of course, I'm not advising people to be in any relationship for 10 years, which they're not married.
Yeah. Our meal is
yeah, baba.
here. So that's the salad,
Yeah, baba.
the one side. The other side is the mash.
Yeah, baba.
We have the mushroom sauce. This is my plate for serving. That's a hot sauce. And then we have the platter. This is a lot. So that's chicken. Those are ribs. There's some chops there on the side. And look at Zia digging in. He's not wasting time.
There's a much of a hurry.
Beach time. Lovely sunny day at the beach. Today is beach day. We are here at Umhlanga. I'm gonna try show some of the beach moments. It's Zia's first time at the beach actually, so super excited. I hope he enjoys it. Let's go have fun. Package. Good boy.
Kawash.
Good boy. It's a lovely day. Lovely day. Lovely day. I got some daga. Oh, I see ya. Someone enjoyed his day at the beach. Off we go now. Off we go now. Bye bye. Little somebody doesn't want to leave the beach, but it's time for us to go. It was fun. It was lovely. On to the next one.
Parking, ticket office, sculpture, shops, restaurants, coffee, conference center. Mandela Baba, was it captured here? Was it hiding here? Kanye, is it made up?
Guys, we are literally like a minute late. They close at 4:45 and online it says 5, and we thought we could see the Nelson Mandela sculpture. Excuse my boy, but it's closed. But we're here, so we'll just take a walk. It's actually a beautiful place, so we'll just take a walk, a bit of a break, and then continue driving to Durban. Beautiful. I'll show you the sunsets just now.
I'm sure they've got nice resorts up.
Yeah, it makes sense because it's such a nice place. And look at that sunset. Oh, how beautiful. Looking forward to many more family trips. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and coming along. I do hope you enjoy and you appreciate the few parts that I was able to show you. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Goodbye. Bye guys.